คนให้โอกาสป้าถึงได้ลูกกลับคืนมาค่ะ
การที่เราได้มีโอกาสเริ่มต้นชีวิตใหม่มันคือที่สุดของชีวิตแล้วครับ
Being given a chance holds great meaning from the beginning, happiness and hope. Thai society is always ready to give a chance to people who have made mistakes and want to start over. In 1979, Thailand established the Central Probation Office as a division of Office of Judicial Affairs, Ministry of Justice, to reform adult offenders. From there, probation services were expanded throughout the country. Consequently, on March 15, 1992, the Central Probation Office was upgraded to be the Department of Probation, and in 2001, it was the main organization responsible for probation in the criminal justice system, which results in the systematic development of the Thai Probation Service. In 2002, the Department of Probation became responsible for the assessment and rehabilitation of drug addicts in accordance with the Narcotic Addict Rehabilitation Act 2002. Today, the Department of Probation is responsible for providing probation and drug rehabilitation in the compulsory system. Probation is implemented at the pre-sentence and post-sentence stage, including those with suspended sentences and suspended punishment, and those who are early released from prisons. Probation services are comprised as follows. Pre-sentence investigation is the process of investigating and assessing the facts relating to the history and social background of the offender before the court sentencing. The probation officer must prepare a pre-sentence investigation report with his/her recommendation and submit to the court. Post-sentence investigation is conducted when prisoners will be granted early release. The probation officer will investigate the history and social background of the prisoner and assess the appropriateness of the guarantor. This information will be used by the parole board for considering the approval of parole or sentence remission. Supervision is a process consisting of supervising, rehabilitating, and monitoring probationers in order to promote reintegration and prevent reoffending. It is applied when the offenders are on the suspension of sentence or punishment with the condition of probation ordered by the court. Additionally, supervision will be applied to prisoners on parole or sentence remission who are early released with the condition of probation. Moreover, probationers also include juvenile offenders who are under the condition of probation by the order of the Juvenile and Family Court. Drug addict rehabilitation. Drug addiction is a threat to national security. The government has therefore set a policy to solve this problem by treating drug addicts as sick patients in need of treatment. A rehabilitation system has been set up for addicts to reclaim their lives and careers, to become upstanding citizens in society with no criminal record. Probation and drug rehabilitation could not be successful without implementing the following tasks. Rehabilitation is the measure to change the attitude and behavior of offenders for social integration. Probation officers will provide care and help through different psychological and social interventions. Community service is assigned to offenders for public or victims' benefit without remuneration. Welfare services are provided to offenders during probation and drug rehabilitation period. Juveniles released from Department of Juvenile Observation and Protection, and ex-offenders who are released after probation, drug rehabilitation, and imprisonment. The services include follow-up and provision of assistance, such as education, vocational training, financial support, healthcare, and halfway house. All works carried out by the Department of Probation would not have been possible without the public's cooperation. Thus, community affairs are set as a means to bring resources from the community, including volunteer probation officers and community justice network, to involve in our work. They are encouraged to learn, understand, and support in helping probationers directly and indirectly in order to connect with society and return good people to the community.
ป้าขอบคุณที่คืนลูกมาให้ป้าลูกป้าเดี๋ยวนี้เป็นเด็กดีแล้วค่ะขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณจริงๆค่ะ
ผมสัญญาครับว่าจะเป็นคนดีของสังคมขอบคุณที่ให้โอกาสผมครับ
The Department of Probation has been dedicated to working for the public good for a long time. Today, the Department of Probation is committed to continue working and developing our procedures, providing timely service, and allowing more public participation for modern Thai society's happiness and prosperity.